Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Solana. Bloom offers a powerful way to manage your digital identity and personal data with complete control. It operates on the Solana blockchain, ensuring fast and efficient transactions. You can securely store and share verifiable credentials, giving you ownership over your information. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started and maximize your privacy. To begin, download the Bloom application to your mobile device. Once installed, you will create your personal Bloom ID. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes. Remember to choose a robust password and carefully store your recovery phrase in a safe place. This phrase is crucial for regaining access to your account if you ever lose your device or forget your password. With your Bloom ID ready, you can now receive and manage verifiable credentials. These digital documents, like proof of age or education, are stored securely on your device. When sharing, you have granular control, choosing exactly which pieces of information to disclose. You can also easily review and revoke access permissions for any shared data, maintaining full control over your digital footprint. Bloom prioritizes your security and privacy through advanced cryptographic techniques. All your personal data is encrypted, ensuring it remains private and secure. By utilizing decentralized identifiers, Bloom helps to prevent data breaches and unauthorized access. You are always in charge, deciding precisely how and when your information is used, offering a truly self-sovereign identity experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.